Hello there and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I changed out the front passenger side wheel bearing on my 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. Mind you, this is a press-in wheel bearing and not a hub assembly, so I can't just unbolt it from the vehicle. I have to hydraulically press the bearing out with a 20-ton shop press along with the hub to get the bearing out. I did have to buy a new retaining ring because my retaining ring, I had to cut it out. It didn't work. Other than that, I will be showing you how I disassembled the car, and because I wasn't able to film at the location that the wheel bearing was pressed out at, I have a couple pictures, and if you need more example, there are tons of videos on how to press out a press-in wheel bearing. So without further ado, I'm going to just screw it over. Yeah, I figured I went through it. Backside here.
Ooh, came right out. Awesome sauce. Thought that was going to be a pain. Sweet. Should just pop right out for me. There we go. There we go. And now pop it out. Yes. Okay. Drop that down. Oh, that came right off. Did you see that? That came right off. There's no problem in that. Oh. Now you can take it in, go get the parts replaced. If your wheel bearing ever sounds like this, I just pulled this off the Lancer. I think there's a large inherent problem happening. Yep. I'll have to go get it pressed. Alright, so we got the hub pressed in, and it is snowing. I'm pretty sad right now because I'm driving my Mazda, and it's a rust-free Mazda from 2012, and it's the Gen 2. and it is snowing and I am crying on the inside. "80 foot-pounds. There we go. Look guys, it's snowing. "181 foot-pounds. And there we go. Wheel bearing is replaced. Hopefully that works. We're gonna have to take it out on a test run. So I'm gonna lower the car down. Just gonna tighten these lug nuts just slightly.
How about that, folks? It wasn't too difficult to press the wheel bearing out, and the wheel bearing did just come right out. So even though this wheel bearing was never replaced on this car, it's not that difficult to do if you have the right materials. It might be slightly more difficult based on what you're doing if you're doing the hand crank wheel bearing into place with the little wheel bearing kit. Other than that, a press and wheel bearing is a pretty straightforward thing. Some wheel bearings have to be pressed out of the back like mine, some have to be pressed out of the front. So it just depends on what wheel bearing you have and what car and application that it's for. Otherwise, I hope this video helps somebody. Don't forget to check out my channel for more content on how to fix your Lancer, other car videos, and some camera videos. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Just smash that subscribe button for me and I'd be super happy for that. Hey, have a good one.